Hello and welcome to your channel name, your daily dose of business, economy, and market news. Let's quickly take a look at the top headlines making waves today. Segment 1: Economy or Policy. The government is stepping in to regulate 10-minute delivery services as concerns rise over road safety and reckless riding by delivery partners. New guidelines may soon bring speed limits, insurance cover, and stricter accountability for quick commerce companies. In another major move, the government is planning to adopt chain-based UPI technology, aiming to make digital payments faster, more secure, and scalable across sectors. Meanwhile, the PFRDA has formed a panel to design assured payout options under NPS, giving retirees more predictable income after retirement. Segment 2: Global or Geopolitics. Global bank chiefs have shown solidarity with U.S. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell as political pressure mounts on the central bank. Tensions in the Middle East are rising as Iran protests turn deadly and the humanitarian crisis deepens. At the same time, U.S. sanctions on Iran may hit India's Chabahar port plans, creating new challenges for regional trade. UBS has also announced plans to exit its wealth management business in Italy by 2027 as part of its global restructuring strategy. Segment 3: Markets or Investments. SIFs, or Specialized Investment Funds, are rapidly catching investor attention, indicating a growing appetite for alternative investment products in India. The RBI has launched strict norms for UCB licensing, aiming to strengthen governance and protect depositors. JP Morgan is tapping rival banks to expand its India presence, highlighting growing global confidence in India's financial sector. Segment 4: Corporate or Earnings. Reliance Industries may see 7 to 9% EBITDA growth in the December quarter, driven by strong performance in retail and energy segments. December PV sales have jumped 27%, showing strong demand momentum in the auto sector. Hitech is seeing AI-driven growth, while TCS faces margin pressure due to pricing challenges. WPP India has announced its plan to retire after 20 years, marking the end of an era in the advertising world. Segment 5: Budget or Outlook. As we move closer to Budget 2026-27, expectations are high. Economists are projecting around 11% tax revenue growth in FY27. While FICCI is pushing for a mega electronics park to boost manufacturing. Experts believe GST collections may remain under pressure, and states' tax revenues are seeing a slowdown. Closer, confident, engaging. That's all for today's top business and economy updates. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Stay informed, stay ahead.